I'm about to show you how to make the best darn Italian pasta salad ever. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. I'm about to show you how to make the best darn Italian pasta salad ever. Ever. Oh man, I'm telling you, you are going to really love this recipe, and you're gonna want to share it with your friends and your families. They're gonna think you really know how to cook. Well, before I do, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I thank all of you who have shared my videos with your friends and social media and family. Thank you so very much, and continue to do so, okay? Continue for me. Thank you, so I can just rise up. Trust me, you don't want to miss my recipes. You really don't. So let's get this thing started. Come on, y'all. Okay, people, don't forget to wash your vegetables, because bugs, they love vegetables too. They poop on it, and you don't want to be eating poop. Oh, no, you don't. I'm going to be using rotini noodles. And also, I'm going to be using salami. It's going to be very good. And these are seasonings that I am using. So, let's get cutting. Let's get the cutting. All right, I'm cutting my red bell peppers. Look how nicely I'm chopping that up. Okay, you can chop yours the way you want it. You don't have to chop it like mine now. Okay, and also the bell peppers. I cut mine sort of like in a square, but you can do yours the way that you like. I just want to make sure I taste all of my vegetables. And you gotta get that little white meat out of there. Don't leave that in there, people, unless you just like eating it. I kind of slice it up a little bit. Look at the yellow bell pepper. Slice it up and cut them into threes. As before, do it the way that you like it. So I slice up my cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes. I like to eat it while I'm cooking. Now look at this. Look at this. Look like a tool, don't it? All right, ladies. All right, y'all. Get your mind out the gutter. This is not veggie porn. It's not veggie porn, so stop it, people. Stop it, women. Okay, I'm gonna cut this bad boy. I'm gonna cut the ends off first, because I really don't want to eat the ends. But I'm gonna tell you though, this is an English cucumber, and the skin on it is kind of thin, so you ain't gotta worry about this being thick like a regular cucumber skin, just crunching and tough. You ain't gotta worry about that, okay? I'm gonna slice it up. I split it in half, and then I sliced it up. Again, do it the way that you want to do it. And make sure you pour out all of those juices inside the black olives. You don't want to leave that in there. And here's my calamari olives. I can't never say that right. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. And this thing right here I have to use because I have bad hands, arthritis. It is hard for me to open jars. I just have to do that, people. That's what happens when you get old. And look, I waste my calamari olives on the floor. Oh, no. I wanted to cry. Why? Here's the Walmart cheese. Walmart cheese. I couldn't find no other better cheese, so I had to buy this Walmart cheese. I guess it's okay, y'all. It tastes okay when I put it inside. But you can use whatever mozzarella cheese you want, whatever brand that you can find in the store. All I can say is good luck, because I had a hard time. All right, this salami I never tried before. This was referred to me by a friend. I tried the salami. It tastes pretty good. As you know, I love tasting meat and veggies while I am preparing it. So I cut it long ways. Look how I cut it, y'all. Let me lift it up. Come on. Oh, what happened? I didn't lift it up. Anyway, all right. Don't forget though, after you do your meats, make sure that you wipe everything off. Run your water in the pot. Put your salt in. Make sure you do. Stir it around in there, because you want the salt to be evenly. Even though once it boils, it's going to be evenly. So you want to rapid boil before you put your noodles inside. Bam! There you go. Look how pretty that is. Look at it. And stir it around so it can cook evenly. And set your timer to 8 minutes. 8 minutes. It's according to how firm you like yours. I like mine a little firm, not too hard, not too soft. Stir it around, and then once it's finished boiling, make sure you do a taste test. Look at me tasting. Good. On point. Now make sure you rinse those noodles off very well. Rinse it off. It don't matter. I don't know why I'm shaking it, because you know I'm gonna throw it in a bowl anyway, just like this. Rinse it. Put cold water. The reason why you want to put cold water on this is because it stops the cooking. It will stop cooking. Long as it's hot, it's still gonna cook. So don't leave it in the hot water, people. I've seen people do that before. Then they want to complain why their noodles so soft. Now you're gonna take your Italian dressing, zesty Italian dressing. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up like you would your kids. Y'all know how some of y'all do. Shake them darn kids. No good way you supposed to be shaking. All right, now pour your noodles in a bowl and put everything else in that bowl with it. Everything. This is gonna be so good, y'all. I'm telling you, it's the best thing ever. Ever. I love saying that. I love saying ever. Try not to stir like in the middle, like you baking a cake. I've seen people do that too. You want to fold this in because you don't want to be breaking up your noodles. Don't break your noodles up. Put in your salt and pepper and garlic to taste. I can't tell you how much to put in there, because you know you may not like salt like I like salt. You may not like garlic like I like garlic. Okay, now if you don't like all these ingredients that's in here, you can fix it your way. But like I always say, if you don't make it like mine, it may not taste like mine. Right? Okay, now look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Not only is it beautiful, it is tasteful. I gotta plate me up some of this stuff, because I'm telling you, I'm getting ready to chow down. Good. Woo! I didn't know how long I could hold that. Look how good that looks, y'all. Look at it. Man. I feel like I've been slaving over a stove. But not really. This is really easy, y'all. All you gotta do is chop up all your stuff. Chop it up the way you like it. Don't worry about how I did it. And leave out what you don't like, okay? You may not like what I put in here, but it's up to you. But if you want it to taste like mine, what do I always say? You gotta fix it like mine. Okay, time to taste. Let me get some salami, cheese, Kalamata Olives. I can't never say that. Calamari. Am I saying that right? Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Here we go. I just want to dance, y'all. I just want to dance. I know y'all looking at my seasonings in the back. Oh, yeah. It's very good. Very good. But you know what? You can eat this as a main dish if you like, because it has a little meat in it and cheese and stuff like that and pasta. You can eat it as a main dish probably with some bread. What's that bread called? Baguette. I guess I'm saying that right. Or you can eat it as a side dish with grilled meat, grilled chicken. Oh yeah, grilled steak. You know, just fix it the way you like it. Eat it with the way you like it. But I'm going to tell you, this pasta salad is not just for the summer, guys. It's any time of the year that you want it. So make sure you make it for your family. They're going to be happy that you did. Now that big old bowl I got, I'm going to have to give some neighbors some and some friends and relatives, because I can't eat all that. Why? Because I'm watching my figure. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all. Come back next week, okay? Because I have a lot more for you. Another dish And it's going to always be a surprise. You just have to wait, okay? And I want to thank you guys for sharing. Thank you. And share this video as well, okay? I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so I can get paid, okay? Just one of you. One. Just share it to 10 people. I think I have 400 and something subscribers now. So if you share it to 1 people or 2 people, I will have 1,000 subscribers by next video. And I can start getting paid for cooking. Thank you, YouTube. I love YouTube. Anyway, let me go. I don't want to be too long. All right. Come back next week, y'all. Love ya. Until next time, I'll see ya on the cooking show.